This evening, I made myself some tea and sat on a cliff. I realized I needed some solitude. So I grabbed my mug and took off down the road. As the wind blew in my face, I began to feel calm. Maybe it was the chamomile tea, or the sea breeze, or maybe it was the thought of just sitting in silence looking at the ocean, with nothing but a hot drink and my thoughts to accompany me. At the end of the day, I have to hit a reset button. If we spend our day running our mental batteries down and don't recharge them, how can we perform at our absolute best the next day? So this evening I decided to make more of an effort to do this, to connect with my Creator and replenish my soul. Our true fulfillment can only be found in the God who created us. He knows what we need, and when we reset with Him, that's where true rejuvenation takes place. What's your reset button?